Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show a algebraic math Olympiad problem. Square root of x plus x is equal to square root of 140 plus 4. How to find the value of x? Or we can write here square root of x plus x is equal to square root of 140 plus 4 is 144. Or square root of x plus x is equal to square root of 144 can be written as 12 times 12, or square root of x plus x is equal to square root of, now we can write here 12 square, or square root of x plus x is equal to, here we will get 12 because this square cancels out this square root. Or now taking this x to right side, we can write here square root of x is equal to 12 minus x. Or now squaring on both sides, we can write here square root of x whole square is equal to 12 minus x whole square. Or now this square cancels this square root, so here we will get x is equal to, now we can write here 12 minus x times 12 minus x. Or x is equal to, now 12 times 12 is 144. 12 times negative x is negative 12x. Negative x times 12 is negative 12x. Negative x times negative x is positive x square. Or x is equal to 144 minus 12x is minus 24x plus x square. Or now taking this right side to left side and now taking this x to right side and changing side, we can write here x square minus 12x minus x plus 144 is equal to 0. Or x square minus 12x minus x is minus 25x plus 144 is equal to 0. Now this is a nice quadratic equation, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 25 and c is equal to 144. Or x is equal to minus b is equal to negative 25 plus or minus square root of b negative 25 square minus 4 times a is 1 times c is equal to 144 over 2 times a, that means 2 times 1. Or x is equal to negative times negative is positive 25 plus or minus square root of 25 square, that means 625 minus 4 times 1 times 144 is 576 over 2 times 1 is 2. Or x is equal to 25 plus or minus square root of 625 minus 576 is 49 over 2. Or x is equal to 25 plus or minus, we know that square root of 49 is 7 over 2. So there are two values of x, so we can write here x is equal to 25 plus 7 over 2 and x is equal to 25 minus 7 over 2. This is x1 and this is x2. Or x1 is equal to 25 plus 7 is 32 over 2 So the value of x1 is equal to 16 and x2 is equal to 25 minus 7 is 18 over 2. So the value of x2 is equal to 9. Now sec, we are find out x1 is equal to 16 and x2 is equal to 9. Our equation is square root of x plus x is equal to square root of 140 plus 4 is equal to, or square root of x plus x is equal to 12. Okay, now sec, when the value of 16, we can write here square root of 16 plus 16 is it equal to 12, or we know square root of 16 is 4 plus 16 is it equal to 12. So 20 not equal to 12, so 16 is cancel out. Now x2 is equal to 9, so we can write here square root of 9 plus 9 is equal to 12, or we know square root of 9 is equal to 3 plus 9 is it equal to 12, so 12 is equal to 12. So our final answer is 9. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.